I replaced the Kohler 25 horsepower engine on my exmark laser zmower with the Predator 22 horsepower from Harbor Freight. Engine works fine, but now I'm having trouble with my battery staying charged. I can't find any info on alternator output on Predator engine. Does it have enough output to pull my electric clutch and keep my battery charged? It seemed okay at first, but now it runs battery down after an hour of mowing. Does Predator wiring maybe have a breaker I should check?
Hi, my name is me. Review the issue, and I will be more than happy to help resolve it as quickly as possible. W hat is the voltage at the battery with PTO engaged. Have you tested the rectifier to see what's coming out?
Driving to work and am away from mower. I haven't checked voltages. I will have to do that tomorrow as I am driving to work and am away from mower right now. I will have to continue this tomorrow.
Not a problem.
I checked voltage today. 13.8 running. 13.2 with clutch engaged. Battery has 12.9 with motor not running.
So you are getting charged back to the battery. If you can run the mower with the PTO engaged for a while, recheck the battery voltage. What size battery are you using? You need to have at least a 300 cca battery with electric PTO, or the battery will die quicker as the PTO uses a lot of juice.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.